Oh God. All right, guys, we got the World's Strongest Maxx Slash back out here on the Max 8 system, and we're gonna take it back to its homeland, the sand. This time we're not on paddles, because paddles seem to always blow my diffs. Too much traction, too much power. Let's see how this heavy truck works on the Max 8. Now, guys, throughout all the trials of the World's Strongest Maxx Slash that I put this through the body's seen better days. That's probably gonna get ripped off today. We need a new body bad. Let me know what kind of design I should do for the body, but we're back in the sand, boys. Yeah, getting up there on stock road tires. Oh man, it's dusty out here. Woohoo! So guys, I've been using this Sense controller that I was telling you about a long time ago, using it on the Max Slash, and I actually put the GPS on there. So as you can see, it live reads the speed here. As I'm ripping, you can hear it over there. And then it saves the fastest speed you had, because that's pretty cool, so you don't have to have the GNSS. Let's just see here. Driving one-handed. So we're driving one-handed, you saw that? Look at that, top speed 28 miles an hour, it changed. This radio is so cool, man, and it's just so freaking soft. So reactive and long range too. I'm sweating like a pig out here in this Texas heat. What do you say? How about we launch this thing? Yeah, that was it. I'm a flat ground driver, remember guys? If I can get grip out here and not run through trees. Like I said, the paddles are so much grip that they always blow diffs. That body's just hanging on. Uh-oh. Look at the body. The body's rubbing so bad. You know, is that how you feel, buddy? Is that how you feel? I just can't get grip. Oh my God, what a boink. Can't get grip out here on the sand. Little hopper. Oh God. Oh my God, we're sliding all over. This is more of a drift truck out here. See, what had happened was, and now I can show you the GPS that I have zip tied in there. That's what it looks like. Just a little bitty GPS. There we go, that was a good flyer. Ooh, nosedive. That tire is so close to blowing. Oh my God, it grabbed something. Unlike Spectrum, Hobby Wing hadn't quit yet. All right, we're back over here where we brought the arm Italian to hit off of this jump that we've carved out here and over that tree. Let's see if we can put this thing in the air. It's not a good flyer, but it flies. This is not a good one. This is the up ramp right here. It's not carved out just yet, but we're getting there. We need some X-Maxes. All right, let's see if we can do it. Nope. I just start spinning, but we got our other jump right here, so we're not totally out of luck. We can go back and forth. Now this one's spinning, could aim right at me. Yeah, I landed the backflip, baby. Body's gonna come off. We're gonna hit that one again. Can't believe we landed a backflip. Oh, body. Can we land it? Ooh. What a front landing. Ouch. Body over there. All these Trill and M2C parts, man, they hold this truck up so well. So well. Be able to do what I want to do with it. Let's get back at it. I think this jump's better for short course style trucks. Ooh. I don't know how many of these are gonna take like that, but that's why it's the world's strongest max slash, boys. World's strongest max slash. The body is not gonna stay on. We keep doing that, the body's definitely not gonna stay on. Seems more set up to be a drifter at this point. We need to find some tires that'll fit on here. Anybody know some good tires for the max slash? Backflip. Good God. Another front landing. Run it without the body. Backflips with ease without that big old body on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I can't steer. Uh-oh. Look at that. We're Chevying. We're Chevying. What happened? Oh, Trill. Not the Trill, man. No, it broke the Trill right off. How did it do that? Oh no! It's not the world's strongest max slash. Well, we found the breaking point when you keep landing on the front over and over. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I mean, it's still, I think, is the world's strongest max slash. I have some GP in one of those. I guess we could try to go back to plastic, because honestly, the plastic bends might be best. I think that's the best for toe links. Anyway, guys, subscribe and see you in the next one. Get out there, going back to the truck. I swear I'm trying to turn left. I swear I'm trying, but I just can't.